Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5, introducing the top 5 best electric circular saws, where precision and power unite to redefine your woodworking and construction projects. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DE enthusiast, a high-quality electric circular saw is an indispensable tool in your arsenal. These 5 exceptional saws have been carefully curated based on their performance, durability, and versatility to make your cutting tasks easier and more efficient. From cross-cutting lumber to ripping plywood, these electric circular saws are engineered to deliver outstanding results. Join us as we delve into the world of precision cutting and discover the top contenders in the realm of electric circular saws that are sure to elevate your craftsmanship to new heights. Number 5. DEKO DKCS 185L1 Electric Circular Saw. The DEKO DKCS 185L1 circular saw is a powerhouse with its 1500W 1999W motor, making it suitable for a wide range of cutting tasks. I've used it for cutting various types of wood, and it effortlessly slices through even thick boards. The 185mm blade diameter, coupled with the 5000 RPM no-load speed, ensures smooth and precise cuts every time. I was pleasantly surprised at how quickly and smoothly it gets the job done. This circular saw is well built and feels sturdy in hand. The 5.15 kilograms weight is manageable, and the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. The handle is designed for a secure grip, which adds to the user's confidence and safety. The dimensions of 342,519 centimeters make it compact and easy to store, which is a big plus for me as I have limited space in my workshop. Setting up the DEKO DKCS 185L1 was straightforward. The blade changing mechanism is simple, and the included user manual provides clear instructions. The saw offers precise depth and bevel adjustments, making it versatile for various cutting angles and depths. The dust extraction system works efficiently, keeping the workspace clean and enhancing visibility. Number 4. Bosch GKS 140 GKS 190 GKS 235 Turbo Electric Circular Saw. The performance of the GKS 140 GKS 190 GKS 235 Turbo is nothing short of outstanding. These circular saws come in 3 different models: GKS 140, GKS 190, and GKS 235 Turbo, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your specific needs. The power and precision these saws deliver are truly remarkable. The 220 VAC power source ensures consistent and reliable performance, making it perfect for commercial manufacturing applications. It cut through various materials, including hardwood and plywood, like a hot knife through butter. The Turbo model, in particular, impressed me with its ability to handle heavy-duty tasks effortlessly. Bosch is renowned for its durable and reliable tools, and the GKS 140 GKS 190 GKS 235 Turbo Circular Saw is no exception. The build quality is exceptional. The saw feels robust and well constructed, designed to withstand the rigors of professional use. The ergonomically designed handles provide a comfortable grip, allowing for extended periods of use without fatigue. Number 3. Heimerdinger LB293 Electric Circular Saw. The LB293 is equipped with a brushless motor, which not only ensures longevity, but also delivers exceptional power. With a wattage range of 1000 to 1299 W and an 18V battery, this circular saw provides consistent, reliable performance, making it suitable for a wide range of cutting tasks. We experienced minimal power fluctuations even during heavy-duty use, and the no-load speed of 6000 RPM ensured smooth and precise cuts. The Heimerdinger LB293 is a well-built tool with a sturdy body that feels comfortable to handle. The 3.5 kilograms body weight is manageable, and the ergonomic design allowed for extended periods of use without excessive fatigue. The battery power source offers the convenience of cordless operation, eliminating the need for constant repositioning of extension cords, which greatly enhances maneuverability. The circular saw boasts an impressive maximum cutting depth of 62mm and a maximum cutting width of 75mm. During our renovation project, we used it for a variety of tasks, from cutting plywood to trimming boards, and it handled each job with ease. The 7-inch blade diameter provided ample cutting capacity, and the saw effortlessly sliced through wood, offering clean, precise cuts. Number 2. Bosch GKS 185 Li Electric Circular Saw. The brushless motor in the Bosch GKS 185 Li is a game-changer. It provides impressive power and cuts through wood like a hot knife through butter. The 5,000 RPM no-load speed ensures smooth and precise cuts, and the 18V battery pack delivers ample power for all my needs. It's lightweight and well-balanced, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. The 165mm blade diameter is perfect for most of my woodworking tasks. The saw effortlessly slices through even thick wood with impeccable precision. The included guide rail attachment ensures straight cuts, and the depth adjustment feature allows for controlled cuts at various depths. Say goodbye to jagged edges and uneven surfaces. This circular saw is designed with home decors in mind. Whether you're building furniture, making home renovations, or crafting small wooden projects, the Bosch GKS 185 Li excels in all areas. It's the ideal tool for a wide range of applications, from cutting boards to framing lumber. Number 1. Makita DHS 680Z Electric Circular Saw. The Makita DHS 680Z has a robust and durable construction, typical of Makita tools. It feels solid in hand and is built to withstand the rigors of a worksite. The design is ergonomic, offering a comfortable grip, which reduces user fatigue during prolonged use. This circular saw is a workhorse. With a no-load speed of 5,000 RPM, it can handle a wide range of cutting tasks with ease. The 18V battery power source ensures cordless operation, granting me the flexibility to work in various locations without being tethered to an electrical outlet. The DHS 680Z offers an impressive maximum cutting depth of 57mm, making it suitable for a variety of materials, from timber to plywood, and even some light metal sheets. I have used it for crosscuts and rip cuts, and it has consistently provided smooth, clean cuts. Thanks for watching this video.